So right here I have a GE profile Opal that was making ice, and it was running everything internally just fine. But see, what happens is after it's running for a little bit, a really loud screeching noise was coming out of the auger here. And I've tried everything from putting grease on that AC motor, taking this apart and greasing down there as well. And I did a ton of maintenance on the inside, getting rid of any mineral deposits that were in there. I think this thing moving forward will not have any tap water going through it. But I couldn't see any resources online as to what may possibly be causing the problem. And there is a little piece of metal right here on the top, and this is only in the newer models, the ones that you can't take apart normally, and that was grinding on the inside of this shaft here. And I noticed when I took a pick or a screwdriver and I pushed it into it that the noise was getting louder. So I know that for a fact that that was what was causing my problem. So I took this mobile grease that's made for food machinery, and so I know that I can put it in here. I took a pick, maybe a flathead screwdriver or a pick or something, put it on the end, the grease on the end, and just jammed it in between there. And it has been running for a good few hours with no issues. Hope that helps.